I'm going to be installing the weatherproof plug or cover that goes over the trunk release here. These little black buttons here are the actual switches. You can hear them activate the release. And this is what it looks like. It has a groove that supposedly goes into that opening. So you can see with the rubber bumpers removed, these are just some normal tactile switches. This one here's got some water damage. You can see it's quit working. I'm going to try to spray some contact cleaner in there before I put the cover on to see if I can regain that. So I ended up just cutting this bad switch out from here, and I replaced it with a similar type switch, and just surface mount soldered it and glued it with some CA glue. And once you have these rubber bumpers off, you can actually see the switch itself. And I've got a volt ohm meter hooked up, testing the continuity. So when I press, this is the old one, this is the new one I put in, so it's functional. And the way it works, when you press the switch, basically you're making connection from this lead to this lead, and on the back side the same. So you can see through the board there's a trace there, and there's a trace there. There's also a trace right here in the middle, and that goes on over to the light. But I would have preferred to take the board out and replace it properly by through hole mounting. But this the back of this is sealed together, and it would have required cutting it open and probably doing more damage than good. So I was able to make the connection at the top just by cutting it as high up as I can and leaving the leads through. And my plan was also, if I was unsuccessful with that, I could also solder a wire from this switch, run it over there, and this one to there, and make the connection that way. But I was able to do it using the traces underneath.